see chickies.
Chickies. What kind of chickies? They're called layers. Yes. Yes.
Oh,
Hi
layers.
guys, welcome back to our corner, Kaitlyn's corner. So today we're visiting Miss Browne and we're checking out some layers.
Those
So
are
we're
chickens.
yes, we're finding out how we get eggs. So we're gonna see how is it. This is the pen. Kaitlyn.
When I usually feed them in the morning, your feed is usually in here. That's off so that rats wouldn't get to it. In this old fridge, you feed them in the mornings, and we pick up whatever eggs they have in the morning. And then by lunch, we will come back to pick up whatever eggs are there again. So you want to come in?
You're going in? You going in?
Will they pick up me?
No, they wouldn't pick at you. You can go. They wouldn't pick at you.
Quick for the come out. Anyways, we see who the
Come, go.
You think his feet are bringing. You see, you make a mash, yo.
Go in quickly,
Come,
Kate.
darling. Just pass through.
Don't be scared. We have to try to ensure that these are their feeders.
Yes, and here is their coop. Where they come to live. I didn't get much eggs from them this morning. Something is going on with them. What? She thinks his feet are breaking him.
We're picking
He's
up
jumping
eggs.
up. There's a bowl.
They're likely in this one here. There's
This
a
one
special
most.
spot.
Yeah.
Watch
They
this
like
special
to be
spot.
cozy.
Oh.
They like to be cozy and in dark places. They like the area to be more darky. So this one is the darker one from the others.
See how much you picked up there, Kate? They like that spot because that's the coziest
Yes,
spot.
that's the coziest.
So all of them go and lay their eggs here.
Everybody push out everybody and they lay there.
They just go pop an egg. You petting them now? You pet one?
Sometimes when they lay, they don't want you to disturb them. So if you come, they come themselves also. And when you pet them, they can't allow you to pick up the egg.
Oh, they probably getting ready to lay an egg.
Alright, I don't tell them. I will bring some grass for you.
Oh, they're asking for food, guys. They're asking for food.
You can't give them too much. You overfeed them, they can't overfeed them.
Oh,
But they like grass. Certain specific grass they like to eat.
so Miss Browne is
So in
going to bring
addition
them.
to feeding them from time to time, we will give them grass.
So they're going to get some grass. Oh, look at this one gone in the cozy spot already. I wonder if she's going to pop an egg for us.
What's she doing?
I don't know, probably looking for a spot. Most of them like the corner there, but she's probably looking to see which one she's gonna pick. Maybe wondering who we are and what we're doing here. Kaitlyn is busy petting them all. Run away. We're disturbing you, girl. So these are layers, and they lay eggs. So that the eggs that you eat, little ones, they come from chickens like these. You have white eggs and you have brown eggs. These would lay the brown eggs. Do the white layers,
They lay white.
white eggs. So the white
I'm not
layers.
sure if they got black ones too, but I am not sure what the eggs are like.
Oh.
And
See.
a good thing with the black ones.
Kaitlyn, you saying bye to your little friends now? You don't look like you want to leave them.
The other side.
Well, let's go check the next
And then
set.
lose them out just now. Have we promised to start losing them? But I
We have to
can't
clear
lose
here so none of them comes out. Yo, gosh, Kate, don't make that one come out. Go.
I like to jump up. I like to.
We lose them out late so they won't stay out late when we play Saturday down.
You see eggs in the corner? Oh, you're going in bravely now, huh?
I will have to lose them out one at a time because these are the older sets and they will stop.
Gently.
Pick up, just do it easy, soft so the egg won't break.
They a lot in that little dark corner.
I love that little dark corner. They laid a lot in that little dark corner.
Now one more batch now over the other side, but these are a mixture of yard fowls and some layers that we turn into yard.
Oh, so this is a crossbreed?
No,
Or you just
I
mix?
have a crossbreed. I can show you it just now. Remember the one I used to call Browne girl? She had, because she was placed in the yard with the yard fowls, she was tread and her egg came through.
Oh.
Her egg hatch. These are the yardies.
Oh, I see one.
Oh, you just
This is the yard fowl egg.
as again.
Yes, as against the layer egg.
Ah, I see.
But because Browne girl was being tread, her eggs were fertilized and it actually hatched. And I got this fowl cock is from her.
The big rooster in the corner cage.
Yes, that one is from Browne girl. So he's actually a crossbreed with the layer hen and the normal yard fowl. That's
They have
okay.
another one.
Yes,
are
these are
babies.
small ones.
That's our baby.
But we're now trying to reintroduce them into the batch. So we can't put them in one time rush like that because these are going to beat them up. So you gotta reintroduce them slowly into the batch.
You enjoy that?
Color we pull grass for them. Pull some grass.
I got a bowl with grass.
You know to pull grass
Show you the
well.
one that they like. The grass that they like to eat.
Hello.
We're looking for the grass that they like to eat.
This grass is dandelion.
Oh, we have a lot of dandelion.
They love to eat dandelion, and we got another one that's called rabbit grass. Or you might be looking for these kind, right?
Dandelions. You know dandelions too.
See if you see those and pull them. They like dandelions. I ain't got much right now, customer. Look, you got some here, Kate.
Oh, both of them.
They like to eat dandelion.
You have to pull it a little bit lower so you won't get it lost.
Try
Together.
to pull out the bottom so you can get the roots to pull it out.
Good.
I have some leaves.
Some leaf, yeah.
Is this a dandelion?
Yes. Look at the leaves and you would be able to know.
The little flies.
Grass.
Oh,
I like
yes, that's one.
Good. You have enough here?
Can
Good.
we go see the other one with the light?
So we go for the rabbit grass.
I picked 3.
3. Alright, let's go for rabbit grass. Oh,
Strong.
this is much softer. This is a very soft one. This is the rabbit grass.
Rabbit eat that?
Yes, that's why it's called.
It's called rabbit grass, but it falls like very much.
The rabbits
they
love
like?
it. Like Natey would like this for his rabbits.
They like the grass. A system is got a set of planning to pick them and bring. I always planning to pick them and bring them. School is get some nice long big ones. One more?
Where you gone?
Still over here.
Okay.
Now let me go with them now.
We feed them and see what happens. How much they really like it.
I like this when you walk and going to the tent, is pushing the big chunk of one with the grass. Very see if you can
I
get
can
it.
pick it up.
See what?
So you feed them manatee. Look, everybody pulling
They
it.
go wild for it. Yes, when we see the grass coming, they forget feed and they can.
And they leave it.
Grass, they've left the cattle.
Here.
Yeah, come, run a big
They're getting to go and pick the grass outside. Freedom! They're going back in.
Ah, look at this one. They like this one.
Yes.
Yeah,
I like
the
different.
one too. I realized there's another grass that I like.
The Chinese kalu.
Yeah, but I never pick it and give them. Now that I lose them, I got another grass that is on there. The yard cows where you lose them.
They like to eat that.
But there's a plant, a decorative plant. They like that one.
Look at how they're eating it over there. Lose them for about an hour.
Yes, and then once the place start getting dark, they don't go back. They don't go back to the thing.
Hey, Kaitlyn. Kaitlyn went and get more grass. That's enough for them. They're gonna come out and eat now. You got a lot.
Don't go there.
These are all the eggs that were picked up today from the different parts. We hope you enjoyed. We hope you enjoyed our little adventure to seeing the layers. We were coming up to visit Miss Browne and some of our former students. So we decided to take a tour of her pens because this is something that she does, and to get to see the chicks. All right, and enjoy the chicks. Some of them are arriving now. Kate, come back now. All right, guys. Kate is busy. Thank you so much for viewing. Thank you for your likes. Continue to follow us. Thank you. Okay, Kaitlyn come running with a whole lot. Don't throw it on them like that, kid. Go, look, the baby is here.